Hello guys, welcome to Karango channel. This video is the third video of the Win Your Inner Battles book reading series. Today we will be reading Fight the Enemy Within and Know Your Enemy. Let's get started without any delay. Fight the enemy within. Make sure your worst enemy doesn't lie between your own two ears. Lloyd Hamilton. Conquering fear is important, especially now. We live in an interconnected world where is social pressure to conform to the norms practically demanded from us. Many talented people take their talents with them to the grave because they are afraid to follow their dreams. One of the main reason is because of what we have learned from other people. From a young age, we are taught to be normal and follow the conventional circle of life, not to stand out, get an education, a safe job, get married, and buy a house. We believe that it is so important to follow this path that we are terrified to do something else. For example, if you do not like your job, you live with constant stress that impact your mood, ambition, and above all y- your health. Stress has some consequence for our body. Most of us spend our lives running from our fears. Conquering fear is liberating, and this new freedom will give you the energy to give back to the people you love. The good news is that this is simple skill, but similar to mastering every skill, it takes practice and the right set of tools. Everything starts with the realization fear is a choice. Research shows that 65% of our thoughts are negative, and staying positive in today's world is almost a full-time job. You just have to turn on the TV or open a news app on your smartphone, and you are confronted with fear, including inducing message instantly. We hear that the economy is bad, people are dying, and about companies going bust. The general tone of the news is negative, which I, st- I, ins- I understand. Not everything that happens is pretty, but one thing is certain the situation we find ourselves in is not because of external factors. We do not depend on our circumstance. So, why do we let circumstance influence our lives? Fear of the bad economy, traffic accident, or serial killers should not control our action. After all, we do not control these things. However, we do have control our action and how we respond to life. Now your enemy. Fear is the main source of superstition and one of the main source of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom, pretended Russell. Maybe fear public speaking, ending a relationship, standing up to your boss, losing your job, losing your money, asking someone out on a date, or going to the dentist. The list of common fears is endless. It doesn't matter what you fear, especially. Understand this. It is natural to feel fear. Everyone has fear, but that's not important. It is more important to understand why we experience fear. This question is important because if you want to solve something, you need to be aware of it first. The primary function of fear is to warn us of potential danger. Without fear, humanity would not survive. If a wild animal attacked you, fear would alert you, which triggered a fight to flee response. Fear's fundamental function is to protect you from harm. Nowadays, we do not face so many looming threats as before modern civilization, but the fear mechanism is still a part of our system. Revolutionary speaking, fear comes from our reptilian brain, and while we do not need fear in the same way anymore, evolution has not adapted our brain yet. It will probably take thousands of years before our fear mechanism adjust to modern day life. But the truth is that we no longer need fear to survive. Let's face it, what danger do we encounter these days? The threats we face are not a comparison to the hunter gatherer days from man's earliest history. In fact, life is easy. Even when you compare it to several centuries ago, when we started the agriculture revolution, 10,000 years ago, people were killing each other over land every day. That continued for centuries. If it was not war that was killing us, it was an epidemic. What would we have only found cures for most diseases in recent history? But things have improved now. Thousands of years of civilization have made life gradually easier, and fear is no longer protecting us but has turned into our worst enemy. Your brain can't distinguish the difference between an actual physical threat or a threat that's made up by yourself. The only things that matters is to understand what fear feel like, because that's the only way you can fight it. By knowing your enemy, you're at odds at with yourself. To fight your inner enemy, you need self knowledge. Sanju, the most well known military strategies put it best. If you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. If you know yourself but not the enemy, for every victory gained, you will also suffer a defeat. If you know neither the enemy nor yourself, you will succumb in every battle. And to know yourself better, I have created a list of 20 questions that you can use to improve your self awareness. What am I good at? What am I so at? What am I bad at? What makes me tired? What is the most important things in my life? What are the most important people in my life? How much sleep do I need? What stresses me out? What relaxes me? What my definition of success? What type of workers am I? How do I want other to see me? What makes me sad? What makes me happy? What makes me angry? What type of person do I want to be? What type of friend do I want to be? What do I think about myself? What things do I value in life? What make me afraid? If you want to try this method, I would answer these questions with the first answer that pops up in your mind. As you can see, these are practical questions. Please don't start a discussion about how you should interpret these questions. If you do that, we still be at it 80 years from now. The truth is that everyone interprets these questions is a different way, and that exactly the point. For example, what things do I value in life? My answer is time, family, well being. What was your answer? You see, there are no right or wrong answer. No matter what you do, know yourself. You are both the warrior and the enemy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.